Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to take a look at the 5 best mini projectors in 2022. With the best mini projector, you can get breakable, clear images wherever you need them. A mini projector is a portable and compact device by definition. Projectors are especially useful because you can throw an image onto any surface and turn it into a screen of any size. Convenient for entertaining or business presentations. The installation of projectors is common in permanent or semi-permanent environments. The best small portable projectors let you watch movies in a pillow fort, outdoors, or even in the wilderness. They can easily fit in a backpack, and some are small enough to carry in your pocket as well. For more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's get into the video. Our first pick is XGIMI MoGo Pro. It is more than just a mini projector. It's also a small, lightweight streaming media player. Its DLP lamp delivers a full 1920 by 1080 image, and its high contrast levels produce deep blacks and colors with nice saturation. HDMI and USB-A ports connect the device to external media players, but its real strength is its Android TV operating system, which provides access to more apps than most competitors. It includes Amazon Prime, Disney, Hulu, Pandora, YouTube, and more. It also includes Google Assistant for voice search. It can accept 4K signals, and its internal battery lasts about 2 hours. 5 preset picture modes are included, and a custom setting lets you adjust the basics like brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Advanced controls access color temperature for fine-tuning. The two 3-watt internal speakers sound good, although they're light on the low end. With 300 AN and SI lumens of brightness, you'll get a 75 inches image before you notice a noticeable loss in quality. At number 2, Epson EpiqVision Mini EF12. It is more expensive than most other mini projectors, but that's the trade-off for a positive cinematic experience. Microlaser technology produces a sharp 140 inches image at native Full HD 1080 pixel resolution. Tri-chip LCD technology displays 100% of the RGB color gamut, while high contrast and adaptive color correction deliver detailed shadows and actively saturated colors. The built-in Android TV provides access to a full suite of streaming apps, and the EpiqVision Mini has 2 HDMI inputs for external players. 5-watt Yamaha speakers deliver powerful, clear sound. Unfortunately, Epson's projector doesn't have an internal battery, so don't expect to use it without AC power. It's also a bulkier device than many of the mini projectors on this list. It doesn't fall into anyone's pocket. Most users consider this one of the best home theater projectors for their movies. At number 3, Kodak Luma 450. It offers full 1080 pixel resolution with the ability to accept 4K signals. A data loss prevention projector's 200 lumens isn't great, but its good color management and 3,500 to 1 contrast ratio deliver a good image up to about 100 inches. However, it is important to make sure the room is nice and dark, as too much ambient light leads to washed-out colors and loss of shadow detail. There is an Android Smart operating system built into the projector, and you can download streaming apps directly to it. You can also stream wirelessly from your smart device or computer, or connect a media player to the projector via HDMI. It also accepts USB streaming sticks. Its battery is said to last 3 hours, and most users seem to get about 2.5 hours before plugging it in, which is impressive. Less impressive is the small 1-watt speaker system. The audio lacks any form and clarity and sometimes suffers in messy scenes. Thankfully, there's a 3.5mm jack, so you can hook up a more powerful audio system. At number 4, Anker Nebula Solar. It is a rechargeable battery-powered DLP projector that weighs 3.1 pounds and goes wherever you go. You'll get 1.5 hours in standard mode and a great 3 hours in battery mode, but with reduced brightness. Built-in Android TV includes apps to connect to all the major streaming services, so no external media is needed. You'll need access to a Wi-Fi network and a Google account. The 2 built-in 3-watt speakers can handle Dolby Digital Plus encoded audio, although its sound quality could be better. Anker Nebula Solar accepts 4K signals and converts them to the projector's native 1080 pixel resolution. HD has subtle colors, sometimes a bit off, and shadow detail remains even in darker scenes. While the projector is bright enough to deliver a beautiful 180 inches image, don't expect it to be much larger without sacrificing the image. Again, it's about finding balance. Other projectors offer better images but don't have as many features when traveling. At number 5, Kodak Luma 150. This is a fun and economical way to share content from your smartphone. Send video over a standard HDMI cable or stream your content from connected devices. The projector also accepts microSD card. At first glance, the 60-lumen DLP projector may not seem very bright. In addition to its 854 by 480 resolution, it isn't a blockbuster. But it doesn't mean your main projector. Rather, the Luma 150 is a handy and very inexpensive tool for sharing photos in meetings, watching movies in the back of a car, or giving a conference presentation on a screen much larger than a phone or tablet or laptop. The battery lasts about 2 hours, and the device can also be plugged in. It has speakers, but you're better off using headphones or small portable speakers if you're watching a video with other people. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us, and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.